What's up, guys? My name is Brandon. Today we're doing a review of the Ghostek screen protector. I believe this is the privacy glass version for 15 Pro Max. Let's test it out. So let's see what we get in here. It says we have a 1-year warranty, impact scratch protection. We get 2 screen protectors. It's 0.33 millimeters thick. Perfect touch sensitivity, tempered glass. High aluminum silicate glass. Wow, that's good stuff. Anti-smudge coating. Let's test it out and see what we think of it. Ghostek always has beautiful packaging. So, oh cool. We get stickers. We get don't miss our scratch and win contest. We'll find out if we won later. And we get cleaning wet wipe. I think this is a squeegee for us to push it out. Push out any air bubbles. And oh wow, we have one of those really easy to use applicators. So here's my phone. Now it said we get 2 screen protectors. I'm not sure exactly how to use this. So it says easy install, 9 hardness glass, full glue. I don't think I was supposed to do that. Do we just pull it? Yeah. Okay, I didn't wipe the screen at all or anything. I'm just pulling. And I think we might do like a little swiping motion there. And so it's definitely going on there. I can see it. I'm not sure. Something's giving me some resistance here. Okay, cool. So we have one little air bubble here. Let's use the included squeegee. Okay. So I was able to press it out between the squeegee and my thumb. It's still there. Okay, now it is completely gone. So let's see how it looks. Wow. It's beautiful. It went on perfectly. I don't see any air bubble. The screen feels really nice, like there's an oleophobic coating on it. I guess I forgot to use these cleaning wipes. But all I did was I took the applicator thing, I put it on the phone, and I pulled down slowly, and I lifted it up, and it came on perfectly. I mean, it's not even misaligned at all or anything. There was that little bubble on this corner I was able to press out, and I'll show it to you guys here in the light. And I believe this is the clear version, not the privacy, but let's double check. But hopefully you guys can see that. It's really beautiful. Forgive me, I have a bit of a cold today. It is not the privacy version, which I didn't think it was, but I thought maybe it could have been. Yeah, it's for sure not the privacy, but I gotta say the glare is pretty good. There's not much glare. Better than the original screen without a screen protector. Yeah, it's really nice. Has a good premium feeling. But it did say that it includes 2 screen protectors on the box. Why is that? Did we miss one? So here it says 1 pack. On the back, it says contains 2 units. So contains 2 units, 1 pack. I know it should be a 1 pack because that's what I bought. But it does say 2 units on the back. But overall, excellent screen protector. It gets the highest rating from me, worth every penny, premium feeling. I will live with it for a while, and if there's anything that you guys need to know, I will make a follow-up video. Thanks.